everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss how we can display a progress indicator in your Canvas apps. This is my screen in Canvas app where I am sending an email by providing email address, subject, and email body. But while sending this email, sometimes I want to display a progress bar. What is the progress bar, and how much time it will take, like that. So how you can do that? Again, for this manipulation, you have to go to modern control. You can click on try the modern control switch on. Then you will find a modern control inside insert panel, inside your modern control section, called as progress bar. You drag the progress bar and put it somewhere of your choice. So this is a progress bar, so I want to put it on the top. Okay. You can change the color also. If you want to change the color, this I want to use warning color, so it will display like this. So progress indicator has two properties which is very dynamic. One is value, another is maximum. Maximum value depends what is the total maximum value of the progress bar, and value will decide how you want to jump the value from 0 to 100. So first make it 0. Okay, initial 0. Now go to the page where you have kept this progress bar, and go to the unvisible property. In the unvisible property, so which control is selected? This is the control. So unvisible, set a variable. Set, let's say the variable is current value, and I will assign 0. So current value is 0, and I will assign this current value variable to the progress indicators value field, value property. So instead of 0 manually or statically, assign current value, which is a dynamic value, and I want to set the value dynamically so that it will give the value to the progress indicator value property. Now go to the button and place the code to change the current value. Set current value equal to 30. When someone click the button, send button, it will immediately increase the indicator to 30. Then after the send mail success, it will display the current value as 70. Then after the notification is displayed, I want to display 100. Right, now let us see how it works. Now run this. This is the indicator, right? So let me try a message, and the body, whatever body, doesn't matter, click on send. Just keep an eye on this progress indicator, how it works. Click send. You see it is increasing, and it is succeeded with 100%, and the email sent successful message is displaying. Now if you want to reset the progress indicator, you have to take a button so that you can reset the value. Let me take a button to reset. Or if you want to make it 0 or reset the form, you can take a button here. You can take a modern control button also. This is part of your modern control. So let me give a rebel edge reset form. In the reset form, you can mention the action on select, what you want to do. I want to set the current value as 0 so that it will reset, and also you want to reset the txt email to address, then you want to reset. So this is how you can reset a form field in the Canvas app. Txt body. Okay. Now let us test this, and also subject. Txt subject. Now I can test this. Now click on reset form and it will reset. So thank you everyone, and you understand how to use progress bar in Canvas apps. See you next time guys. Bye.